What's going on YouTube? It's your boy RDS Mick. We back again. You know what I'm saying? Had to pick me up some new attire. Hustle daily. Rock with this. It's John Hard. Got it off Instagram. I ain't even gonna hold you. But at the end of the day, you already know what type of time it is. We finally got the bike done. Looking all nice and clean. Now, as y'all can see from one of my other videos, we got a brand new bat tire. You feel me? So that means we got to get rid of the old bat tire. And while we doing that, we probably gonna go ahead and piss the neighbors off since they ain't gonna have to deal with the bike for too much longer. So I'm gonna go ahead, get rid of the old bat tire, or at least do a little bit of, you know what I'm saying, give it a little bit of use, make sure we ain't got no chicken strips left, and then we're gonna get a new bat tire slapped on. Probably gonna be a 2-day process, 2-part video, but it is what it is. Appreciate y'all for rocking with me. Peace.
Up them poles on them, birdie. Boy made money, I don't never let the money make me, nigga. I ain't give a fuck about the reach, nigga. I cut your ass off in a second. I'm staking that cake, give a fuck about the leash, nigga. I'm always gonna try something different, cause when it's on sights, I'ma jump out the C-switch. I shoot that boy all in the chest. I swear if he survive, bet that fuck nigga breathe different. I'm on the Ottawa scale. That mean I'm too far at your lead, nigga. I'm only gonna duck from the crackers. I put it on God, I can't stand no police, nigga. That boy got his life on the gram. I put that same life on the T, nigga. My whole life stacking and flipping. Yeah, with a little back getting hit at the beach, nigga. I need them M's in the bank. The hitters gon' shake for a fee, nigga. I keep me some months from there. Yeah, blood in my blood, they gon' shake you for free, nigga. They always got something to say concerning the kid, but don't take it from me, nigga. Tampa gon' vouch for a nigga. They know how I live and I'm deep in the streets with it. Cash was all, I ain't worried about a fuck nigga. And boy got 10 in the clutch with it. I used to be broken, I'm done with it. And the AR got a drum in it. They think a nigga done with that fish smoke. Your head gon' explode and that skull hit it. I'm on my road to my riches, boy. When you drive slow, you expose niggas. Can't get me out of my vibe. Cause I'm on a whole nother level.
It looks like you're busy in here.
Came here earlier. He has another bike. All he does is work.
Wow.
We set out from KFC and sat right there and ate.
I'm out of my body, I'm feeling myself and I'm stacking them blue notes. My circle as big as it's ever gonna get.
Say hi.
Really too old for them new folks. These rappers be capping by selling that work. See a new post. We come from the bottom but laugh at the odds. Cause niggas get mad when you move forward. Fuck that opinion, just stay in that bag. Get you a check, have a coupon. Wherever I go, I'm dropping that bird. Smoke me a blunt, drop the roof on. I pick a little mama, I fuck out her back. Then drop that bitch off around 2 something. These niggas talk shit but won't do nothing. Not satisfied with a few hundreds. All of my niggas some bad getters. We just out getting these bad bitches. I stay to myself and I stay in my lane. Cause boy, we throw shots at these rap disses. I slide through the hood, get nothing but love. Everything solid, no ass kisses. I had your ass dead on the rival, don't play with that paper, you know I'm a spaz, nigga. Cash was all, I ain't worried about a fuck nigga. And boy got 10 in the clutch with it. I used to be broken, I'm done with it. And the AR got a drum in it. They think a nigga done with that fish smoke. Your head gon' explode and that skull hit it. I'm on my road to my riches, boy. But when you drive slow, you expose niggas. Can't get me out of my vibe. Cause I'm on a whole nother level. Won't even fuck with them planes. My dog get his shit through a vessel. These niggas are beat by the hoe. But I got some head when I met her. Real freak get her head on whenever. On demand when I call her a text. Came from the east, I'm straight from the bottom, it really don't matter. A nigga won't smoke, a nigga won't beat, but it really don't matter. I stack that paper just to spend on my kids and it really don't matter. I ate a perk, fuck one of a friend, but it really don't matter. Nah, broad day with that 30 round and it really don't matter. Fuck his homies, they can get this shit too and it really don't matter. FNJ, nigga shoot out the coupe and it really don't matter. Fans straight, kids straight, so it really don't matter. Nah, came from the east, I'm straight from the bottom, it really don't matter. A nigga won't smoke, a nigga won't beat, but it really don't matter. I stack that paper just to spend on my kids and it really don't matter. I ate a perk, fuck one of a friend, but it really don't matter. I'm ballin' on it like a sport. What Jimmy had is J Court. I'm smoking on 28 grams. I'm thinking about 28 grand. Pussy niggas like magicians, cause they're tricky in the jam. I hold smoke with no bitch niggas, so I need mine in advance. I come from the bottom, I stick to the music, cause I'ma look good in the rave. I hustle the hardest, my heart is the largest, so I'ma get bled with the cake. These niggas the weakest, I call them Tanichi and get his ass blow that thing. And on my mama ain't changed, I'm in the Buick, smoke a thing. I came from the east, I'm straight from the bottom, it really don't matter. A nigga won't smoke, a nigga won't beat, but it really kids and it really don't matter. I ate a perk, fuck one of a friend, but it really don't matter. Nah, broad day with that 30 round and it really don't matter. Fuck his homies, they can get this shit to and it really don't matter. FNJ, nigga shoot out the coupe and it really don't matter. Fam straight, kids straight, so it really don't matter. Nah, broad day with that 30 round. I catch you far and I ain't turn around. If he flow, we gotta cut him off. Fuck a bridge, we gon' burn it down. I see my kids and I hit the gas, won't let the struggle shit wear me out. Young nigga gotta keep it on him and shoot a movie like it's Paramount. Bitches be hating, I get to the paper and ride with my dogs on the off time. Nigga be capping, living a lie on the ground to the point I be offline. I hustle like Tony, give me a product, I bag it up till it's all dimes. I'm really gon' blow for the city, rooting for Tampa, I pop, we gon' all shine. I came from the east, I'm straight from the bottom, it really don't matter. A nigga won't smoke, a nigga won't beat, but it really don't matter. I stack that paper just to spend on my kids and it really don't matter. I ate a perk, fuck one of a friend, but it really don't matter. Nah.
All the money's in the motor.
They don't need nobody to come up, gotta spend that on my mama. They don't need nobody to mixtape, niggas be worried about gossip. They don't need nobody to struggles, you get out the hood when you come from the bottom. But I promise I got 'em.